Teachers, students and management committee members of Heirangoithong High School, along with local women folk, staged a sit-in on the school premises today after unidentified individuals created panic and pressured the school's faculty. They displayed placards condemning the act and demanding safe educational environment. Speaking to reporters on the sidelines, Heirangoithong High School Management Development Committee member Laisham Landoni emphasized the critical role of education and the necessity of keeping it free from threats and intimidation. She stated that educating youth is the only sustainable resource for the state's survival, which lacks viable economic avenues. Landoni highlighted that the school provides free education to Class 9 and Class 10 students, arranges dedicated vehicles for student transport and hosts extra academic support. She also appealed to the public and pressure groups to respect the academic environment and refrain from creating fear psychosis among the teachers and students.
Ojaasing asina mathaw yamna masak khangna thawak tawjaba asida leiriba phibam asida karigumba koigi puba thangba ngamoiba polum pbc ojaasing si kari dawni makok sarani chairani lairik takpada phajana takpa ngamoro akoini pukhalibadi Manipur sida leiriba angang punamak lairik hayanaba aiba pandamni aduga ngamdraga su iri kaisida koi kanna honaraga angang ayamba lairik hainana ba ojaasing su yam kanna tawayawi Makoigishu am chauba contribution neba adu mo jasing asida matha sa halbi base tawbiranu adu mayamna koina akoi permission gi puthangda yaragati handokpi goro akoi angang lari taksaki haidano jasingna haidi base yabiu haidi sai